Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in the Pop Mart app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up the Pop Mart app. Then from here, we need to click onto your user profile on the bottom right hand corner of the page. And now we need to sign in or create an account. So for me, I'm just going to click on sign in, but I don't have an account, so I'm just going to choose an account with my Google account here. All right, so I'm now creating an account inside of Pop Mart, and from here basically we need to get to the checkout section of Pop Mart to add in your payment method. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to choose this product here. All right, maybe not this one. I'm going to choose another product. Okay, so from here I'm going to go ahead and click on buy now. Now it should take me to the checkout section here. So it will say your order, address book and delivery method. From here we got shipping address, and now I need to go ahead and add a new address if you don't have one. All right, then I'm going to click on proceed to pay. Now I might go through a little capture there, and then from here we've got two different ways how we can pay. So at the time of recording, I'm in Australia, so I've only got PayPal or credit card. But if you're in another region, you might have the option to add a different payment method, or you might not see these two here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on credit card and click on confirm and pay. Then from here we need to put in our credit card details. So put in your card number, your month and your CVC, and then pay $26. So that's how to add a payment method in the Pop Mart app.